everyone, I'm Evangeline right here at etrailer. Today we're talking about water filtration, specifically with some products we have here from Go Blu Tech. They have a bunch of different offerings for all kinds of situations, whether you want your quick and easy solo filter or you're going off-grid and you want to make sure your water is completely safe. So let's go through all their different options and help you get started in the right direction for filtering your water. There's fixed mount and portable filters. Fixed mount will be installed into your trailer, usually near your water connections. Ideal if you have a system going where you just plug that in and it continues into your trailer. Your portable filters, I see this a lot. When you're at the campground and you have their freshwater hookup, you'll bring this portable filter outside and connect that. And from there you can either connect to your trailer, but I also see some people split off from that connection if they have multiple things they may need to flush or bring fresh water to. Whichever one you get, you have the most important part of your system, which is the filters. And you have a variety of filters here, whether you're going with a 1 filter, 2 filter, or 3 filter setup. And if you're going extremely off-grid, you also have your extreme 4 filter stage setup too. And no matter how you have it mounted, their function doesn't change, which is that they filter your water. And that's the key part here, which is the filters that Blu Tech uses. You're often going to see a combination of your longevity, your tasty, as well as your 0.2 micron filter. So you might get 1 or 2 or 3 at the same time, but these are gonna be the same filter technology throughout. The way this works, specifically with your 3-stage filtration system, is picture this. You're at the campsite and you go and hook up, usually with your garden hose, to the freshwater connection at the site. Water comes through, hopefully regulated water, and then goes through your first filter, which is gonna be your longevity filter. That is a 5 micron sediment filter, meaning your more solids, dirt, sand, things like that. That's what this filter will filter. Second stage is your 0.2 micron filter. Now, your portable version will say off-grid, your fixed mount version will just say 0.2 micron, but this is gonna be really small bacteria and things you really don't want to drink. That will take care of it. And finally, you have your tasty filter. So this has granular activated carbon filter as well as coconut shell within it. And that all works to improve the taste, the smell. If you complain about tasting chlorine from your campsite water, this will take care of that. And then finally from there, you go and make sure that this is hooked up to your water system of your RV or your camper, because this is what will be coming out of your sink, your shower, and using to fill up your drinking water too. Your system will have these filters already included and installed inside your canisters. In fact, the canisters are what first really impressed me with this whole system once I started working on it. So you have stainless steel canisters. You're also going to have stainless steel quick connect fittings, but up top you have an aluminum base. So for those that have the portable system and this is sitting outside, it's gonna not be as warm as if it was just all warm metal up top. Plus it's this very pretty blue. Now the canisters, they may look a little different compared to some other canisters from other brands. And they're gonna have their own special tool as well for when you need to change your filters. How often do you change your filters? Well, my rule of thumb is as often as you replace your toothbrushes, which is about every 3 to 4 months. Now that number could be quicker or take a little bit longer depending on how often you use your filtration system. And this is what the filter looks like on the inside. You can find replacement filters for whichever system you have here at etrailer. Along with replacement filters, we also have a lot of other Go Blu Tech accessories, products, add-ons, bundles. So whether it's different hose lengths, or you want quick connect options, or maybe you want to add a water softener or a pressure regulator to your system, Go Blu Tech also has really good options in those areas. Some of the filters are bundled with a carrying bag, like our system here. This is super helpful for keeping everything in place and making it easy to store. There is also the ARX, which is the off-grid version of this water system. For those that are really going out into the wild, that one will have its own pump and a very similar setup. You can find that really cool water system filter here at eTrailer as well. So which system should you get? Well, I can say that if you have one of those regular inline water filters, that the Solo will be a huge upgrade to that. This starts with a 0.2 micron filter, and that will cut out a lot of the sediment, dirt, but even your larger bacterias, this will be filtered out with that. But if you really want to go the extra step, maybe you have campsites on your list of places to visit where you're not quite comfortable with their water system. Maybe they had flooding, maybe they're known for having kind of sketchy water. Definitely go with the 3-step process. This is going to be the AR3, and having all 3 filters there working together to not only filter all the bad things from your water, but also helping it taste good. And this is going to be super helpful for that. But again, we have all these different systems here at eTrailer. Hopefully this video was helpful for you for just seeing the overview of your different options, whether you want a fixed mount or a portable filter, whether you want 1 filter or 3 filters, then you can find all of them available here at our website. And feel free to call in or ask questions, since every RV, every spot you're gonna go to, and every adventure is different. We'd love to help you get set up with the right system for your different journeys. My name is Evangeline here at eTrailer, and this was a breakdown of the Go Blu Tech water filtration systems.